This is your first period film, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
So
yeah.
was there any kind of pressure? And Meghna, how is it directing Alia? What do you think of her as an actor?
I mean, yeah, pressure also because it's a true story. So for me, it's the first time I'm playing a true story, representing a character that actually, a person that actually existed. So that comes with a sense of responsibility and a certain sense of onus that I hope that there's the right amount of representation, right amount of emotion, and I hope that, the people feel what this character went through.
Meghna? So like everybody knows by now, if she had not done this film, it would probably not get made. So she's a very big reason that this poster is behind us today. It was a pleasure, and I tell her this, ki as a director, she has spoiled me, because the level of preparation that she comes with to the set, she will not only know her lines, she will know the other characters' lines also. उनकी ज़बान को भी वो साफ करती थी eventually set पे. Small nuances, she comes at them with instinct. There is no, it's very spontaneous, and that is what shows, that grain shows on screen in her performance. Minor tweaks you ask her to do, she'll give you a whole other alternative to one performance, which is very, very gratifying, because you see so many possibilities of this character in front of you. So it's been a very fulfilling journey making this film with her.
ये जो सारी प्रैक्टिस हमने देखी ट्रेलर में, किस तरीके की थी, ज़रा उसके बारे में बताएं कि एग्जैक्टली किन ट्रेनिंग से आप गुजरी?
I mean, थोड़ी सी जो टेक्निकल ट्रेनिंग करनी थी, जैसे कि मोर्स कोड जो अभी यहाँ पे भी दिख रहा है आपको, एक डॉट है और एक डैश है जिसको हम डिट डा कहते हैं. वैसे तो इतना आई डोंट नो कितना फ़र्क पड़ा है कि मैंने एक्चुअली कोड्स मेमोराइज किए थे, क्योंकि सीन में तो साउंड नहीं था, पर मैंने और हमारे असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर आरजू, उन्होंने नहीं आई एम एमिंग हिम एवरीवन, आरजू शुड बी टोल्ड, उन्होंने कहा था कि नहीं हम पूरा लर्न करेंगे मैम. आई सेड ठीक है, पर ये कोड्स है, मैं एक एक्टर हूँ, मैं आर्मी तो ज्वाइन नहीं करने वाली हूँ कि मैं क्यों कोड लर्न करूँ. नहीं मैम हम लोग करेंगे. इन रेट्रोस्पेक्ट ऑन सेट ये लोग तो हमारा पूरा मजाक उड़ा रहे थे, क्योंकि मैं अच्छा आल्सो कौन सा वाला डिड डा, ठीक है डिड डा डा, आई वाज डूइंग दैट. इवेंचुअली आई रियलाइज कि आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि मैंने वो कोड लर्न किया, क्योंकि जब मैं वो सीन देखती हूँ मुझे ये पता है कि मैं एक सेकेंड के लिए भी कैरेक्टर के बाहर नहीं आई. क्या होता है, मैं फिर रैंडमली वो फिर मैं मारती रहती, विच आई डिडंट डू. तो मैं ज्वाइन कर सकती हूँ, अगर मुझे किसी को इंटेल पास कराना है तो यू हैव अ कैंडिडेट. वो किया, फिर जोंगा सीखा कैसे ड्राइव, मतलब गाड़ी मैंने चलाई है ज़िंदगी में, ऑटोमेटिक चलाई है. जोंगा बहुत अलग चीज़ होती है, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ ट्रक. तो एवरी मॉर्निंग 7 AM आई बी सर्कलिंग अंडर धर्मा प्रोडक्शंस पार्किंग लॉट फॉर दैट. फिर मेघना का बहुत एक इच्छा थी कि मैं अपनी उर्दू जो है वो साफ करवा लूँ, अपना जो मैं है और हैं और हूँ और ख़त्म खतरा एवरीथिंग. तो वो मैंने 1 महीना बैठ के उनके साथ किया.
कैसे
मतलब
कैसे
मतलब पढ़ के. Is there some secret to this? I'm not understanding.
The movie watch.
हाँ, no, this story will not be sharing with anyone. Then also मेघना जी ने रिक्वेस्ट किया कि मैं कोई पुरानी फिल्में देख लूँ, then मैंने कभी
कौन सी देखी आपने?
Guys, नहीं.
मैम आपको बताना चाहिए बात एक्चुअली.
मैंने कभी देखा. Stop it. सिलसिला. Stop it. ये कुछ सीक्रेट है जो हम लोग नहीं शेयर करने वाले, क्योंकि फिर मेरा तो वैसे भी सत्यानाश हो गया है और सत्यानाश हो जाएगा दुनिया में.
नहीं, तो इसमें सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि पहले दिन जब हमने स्क्रिप्ट की रीडिंग की, तो मुझे ज़बान थोड़ी सी कच्ची लगी कि ये मतलब जो ठहराव हमें चाहिए वो है नहीं. मैंने कहा लिया ये 2-3 फिल्में ये देख लो, उस वक्त के लोग किस तरह से बात करते थे, उनकी ज़बान कैसी होती थी और एक लहजा होता था बात करने का. तो उन्होंने वो फिल्में कुछ देखी, और फिर अगले दिन जब आई वो रीडिंग के लिए, तो मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 60% इम्प्रूवमेंट था उनकी ज़बान में. When I say that this film has been my happiest as a director, it is in no small part because of these two. They've spoilt me. There is so much lightness and goodness on the set because they are such good people, apart from being fabulous actors. They embrace what I would throw at them and then volley it back at me with double the intensity that I asked for. Every take, every day, every new scene was a surprise. They've divested themselves and unraveled the character for me beyond how I saw them. I will always be grateful, always, for both of you.
Thank you. But the first day of shoot, I change into costume, I step out of the van, and I'm en route to go on floors. She meets me before going on floor inside the studio, and she gives me a warm hug, the longest hug possible, and she just said, "We're gonna do it together. Welcome." And that just set the tone for me. You know, that hug just, I mean, it was from that hug onwards, it was just beautiful. Every moment, being on set, being directed by her was just absolute delight. Thank you, Meghna.
Wow. And Alia, as Sehmat, as this brave child that you projected and played, you must have had that kind of tremendous give and take with Meghna, only because it's that kind of film, that kind of role that requires you to just invest and believe in your director, your journey.
I mean, I don't think there's no amount of sentences or words can really put together my journey with Meghna, because on this film, it was very important for me as an actor, at least, not important, but sort of, it just had to happen that way, that I had to be a little mad with this character. And when your director gets your madness and loves your madness, there's no better feeling. Because how vulnerable an actor feels in front of the camera, especially playing a character like this, it's very scary. It's very, very scary. It's like being in a room with fire all around you, and it's like the heat is coming, but it's not coming, and you're aware. And in that moment, you just need one person to hold your hand and say, listen, I'm there, and I know what you're going through, and it's not just you, we're going through it together. And it was very important that I went through this journey with someone together, because the kind of character I was playing, it was too much. So thank you, Meghna, for holding my hand and just getting me. And you know the main chick story.
No, we can't say that.
We can't say that, but between us, whoever knows the story, you'll be my main chick for life. Thank you.